In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your iOS device either onto your Fire tablet or onto your Android device, where you can stream your content from your phone or iOS device to any Android device. This is a pretty common question that I get, and it's relatively simple. You just have to install the right application. Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to start building your ultimate smart home. Like I said, in this video, we're just going to install an application onto our Android device, which will give us the ability to cast or AirPlay our iOS device to our Android device. So the first thing we want to do is go into the Google Play Store. And the great thing is, when you use the Google Play Store, whatever you download in the Google Play Store will be on all of your Android devices as long as you have the Google Play Store, and you only have to pay for things once. Alright, so we're just going to go up to the search for Air. Typically, if you just type in Air and then space and then P, L, that's usually enough to get it. And the one that we're looking for is this one here. It's AirPlay and UPN. This is the light version. There is also the full version here, and I'm going to be showing you the full version because I already purchased that. I think it was like a couple bucks or something. So I have it on all of my Android devices. So we're just going to choose on this one, and we can choose open. Alright, now right in here you do have some different options. So AirPlay iOS Media Receiver, you want to have that checked. You also want to have the speaker checked, and you have all these other different options here. If we keep going down, you'll want to name your device. So I've named mine Movie Room. That way when you're casting to this device, you'll know which one you're casting to, especially if you have multiple Android devices, upstairs, downstairs, bedrooms, all that. You can also turn on AirPlay security. That way you'd have to type in a code to actually connect. That way people outside of your house couldn't connect to it by mistake. Alright, so now once we have this on our device and it is running, these are the running applications on the device right now. Alright, so I have my phone open now, and you can see what's on my phone. I just have the YouTube channel right here. And if we swipe down and we go to screen mirroring, you can see that the movie room shows up here. Now you can see I have chosen the movie room, and now you can see my iPhone on the screen. Tap on this video. Alright, now you can see that this is actually playing on our phone, but it's playing on our Nvidia Shield, and which is an Android device. So if I pause it, I paused it on my phone, but you can also use your remote for the Nvidia Shield to change the volume, pause and play, or skip. Fast forward, and if I hit exit again on our remote for our Nvidia Shield, it'll take us out of that playback. When it comes in handy is like, if I wanted to play a YouTube video and I didn't want to have to go into my Nvidia Shield and search for the video because I have it right on my phone, I can just send that video right to Nvidia Shield. You can also do the same thing on a Fire tablet, a Fire TV, any Android device this will work for. It's also great to share family videos and family pictures right from your phone. Essentially use your Nvidia Shield or your TV or your tablet as like a bigger screen for your phone to share media. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I read and respond to every single comment. Also check out the other videos on the screen now, and I will see you in the next video.